Through this video, children, we are going to study about leaf, the food factory. Leaves are mostly broad and flat green structures of plants. There is a great variety in their shapes and sizes. As you can see in the slide, children, leaves have different shapes, different sizes, and even different colors. Now let us understand the different parts of a leaf. Stalk is that part of the leaf with which it is attached to the stem. The broad part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. In the middle of the leaf blade runs a tube-like structure called the main vein or midrib. The main vein is branched into several side veins. These tubes carry water and minerals to all parts of the leaf. There are a number of tiny pores called stomata present on the leaf, which help in the exchange of gases. Stomata also help in transpiration, that is, loss of excess water from the plant. Leaves contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. This helps in the process of photosynthesis, and this gives the leaf its green color. When the leaves make food, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen through the stomata. Water is absorbed from the soil by the roots, as you can see in the video. Chlorophyll present in the leaves trap the sunlight. Once all the ingredients are collected, leaves produce food in the form of glucose, and oxygen is released as byproduct. It is used by all living things for breathing. Now let us look at the role of roots. Root is that part of the plant which remains under the soil. The roots fix the plant firmly to the ground. Roots soak water and minerals for the plant. Roots have small tube-like structures which absorb water and minerals from the soil and carry them to the stem. What is the role of stem? Stem is that part of the plant that grows above the ground. It bears branches on which leaves, flowers, and fruits grow. Stem also has many tube-like structures which help it to carry water from the roots to all the parts of the plants. Children, this was about leaf, which is called the food factory. Thank you for watching.